Installation requirements of a built-in air scrubber. What are the electrical requirements? Water requirements, wastewater requirements, acid, alkali and safety requirements. The electrical requirements. The local dealer or customer must provide power to the air scrubber. The power and voltage is depending on the country. The breaker size has to be determined locally, because this is depending on the cable distance. In the technical room there are two connection points, one for the main power and one for the lighting as shown with the arrows. Also you will need an internet connection to the computer. Water requirements. The air scrubber needs 30 liters per minute at a 2 bar pressure. It's preferred that the water is of drinking water quality, so piped water. It should have a redox value of 280 microvoltage and the skid comes with a 32 mm water connection. We will provide water adapters so you can connect more easily. Wastewater. The amount of wastewater is depending on the situation. The pump can push the water up to 8 meters high and it comes with a 32 mm connection, which then can be pushed 10 meters out. If you want to push the water further away than 10 meters, you will need a 63 mm pipework. And above 40 meters, you have to calculate the pipework dimensions. All the pipework should be sloped backwards towards the technical room so that the water always runs back after a drain cycle has run. By doing so, the pipework cannot freeze. If you want to put the pipework into the ground, check your local legislations about this. Acid, alkali and safety requirements. The scrubber uses sulfuric acid up to 98%. Biological scrubbers also use sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide. All the piping will be done in a double-walled way, so the tubes will be into the PVC pipes, and all the connections must not be glued together. The safety requirements you will receive from us are as following: face shield, front apron, PVC gloves, eyeglass bottle and emergency shower. The emergency shower needs a 32 PVC connection with water with 90 liters per minute at a 3 bar pressure. This water line must not be interrupted. All above mentioned materials will be supplied by us. Here we have a 3D view of the acid room, with the emergency shower on the left, safety equipment in the cabinet, eyeglass bottle, acid and alkaline pumps, and on the right the lenses that you can put into the tanks. Keep in mind that the injection points are not more than 50 meters away from the pumps. This is the end of the presentation regarding the installation requirements on electrical, water, wastewater and acid and safety requirements. Thank you for watching.